Good day viewers, welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation we are going to look at biology paper 2 for 2017 for external candidates, and you're answering question 5 right here. So the question reads, a pure breeding black bull was crossed with a pure breeding red cow. All the resulting offsprings were black. Question A, using capital letter B or small letter b for alleles. Question A1, which allele was dominant for skin color? So we have two alleles, this one for capital letter B and the small letter b. So we are crossing, they have told us that a pure breeding black bull was crossed with a pure breeding red cow. So the allele which will show the dominant for the skin color, it's the allele B. So this is our answer right here. The capital letter B is the one that will show the dominant for skin color. A2, what was the genotype for the parent black bull? What was the genotype for the parent black bull? So to find the genotype of the parent black bull, we have been told that this was a pure breeding black bull. Okay, so pure breeding, we are looking at it shows the type of genotype where both alleles are the same. Okay, so organisms which are homozygous, we call them as pure breeds. So meaning that the genotype of this parent which had the black bull, which was the black bull, is going to be capital letter B, another capital letter B, because this is the one that was dominant for black bull. Then we come to our question B right here. So I hope it's clear. Using a genetic diagram, show the resulting offspring if the offspring black bull was crossed with the parent red cow. So one thing we must know is if we cross pure breeds, okay, a black bull with a pure breeding red cow, all the offsprings are going to be black. So in this question B, they have told us that we must use a genetic diagram to show the resulting offspring. If the offspring, so we are crossing now the offspring. If the offspring black bull was crossed with the parent red cow, so you need to find the genotype of the offspring black bull. So I've said once we cross a pure breeding black bull with a pure breeding red cow, all the offsprings are going to be black, like we have been told. So these offspring are the black. Okay, so it will be heterozygous like this. Okay, it will be heterozygous like this. That is what we are going to have. Okay, then here it's crossed with a parent with a red. So a parent with red, you have been told that a pure breeding red cow, it's a pure. Okay, so this is going to have small letter b because it's a pure breeding red cow. So these are the this is the genotype. Very important to take note of this. Now from there, this is what we are going to do. So here we need to come up with a genetic diagram. So the first part, we need to come up with the parental phenotype. So the parental phenotype, since we have this offspring, which is capital letter B and small letter b. So we are saying this is black cow, okay, crossed with, then this is BB, which is a red cow. So this is a red cow. So very important to take note of these steps. Then from there, after parental phenotype, we are going to come up with the parental genotype. So what will be our parental genotype? So black cow, we have this. Here, don't put a cross, okay? You only put a cross on the parental phenotype. So red cow, we have this. Then after this, what are we going to have? We are going to have the gametes. that are going to be separated through the process of meiosis. So you're going to have this, going to have this, this. So very important for you to write like this, okay? Because you'll be getting marks from this stage, this stage, this stage, just like that. So now we can do our crossing. So we have this to be crossed with this. So we have this, okay? Then the same, this, which will be crossed with this. So we have this, okay? I hope you are following. We come to this one. So this be crossed with this. So we have this. So our last one, this, cross it with this. So we have this. So I hope that you are following. You have seen what I've done here. Now from here, this that you have gotten, okay? So remember, what we are crossing is the offspring, meaning that this was the first filial offspring generation, this one. So here, what you have gotten here, this is the genotype. So this genotype is going to be for second, okay, second filial offspring genotype. This is the genotype, okay, like this. This is the genotype. Then from here, what else? We are now going to have F2 offspring phenotype. So what will be the phenotype? So when we look at the first one, we have heterozygous. All these are heterozygous, homozygous. So capital letter B and small letter b, we say this one it's a black, this one is red, so this one is dominant. So this is black calf. So we say black calf because we are looking at cow. So a calf is the young baby of the cow. 2, again, this is also black calf. Okay, we come to this one, BB, this one. So this will be red calf. Okay, also this one same, it will also be red calf. Okay, so when you look at the ratios, you can see we have 2 black calf, again 2 black red calf. So the ratio is 1 to 1. So you must know these principles, okay? That when we cross the pure breeding with another pure breeding, we are going to have all the results will be black. Like here, we crossed with black and red. Then we have the black. Now, again, the offspring, which is heterozygous, was crossed with homozygous. Heterozygous crossed with homozygous. You can see we've got heterozygous, okay? Then we also have homozygous. So it will give us the ratio 1 to 1. So this is the answer. Make sure that all these steps from here up to here, you have followed them. They're very, very important. So let's now answer our question C, which is our last question right here. So our last question is saying, suggest what could happen to the pure breeding black bull or red cow to cause them to produce a black and white offspring. Okay, suggest what could have happened to the pure breeding black bull or red cow to cause them to produce a black and white offspring. So remember what I've said. These pure breeds, we call them, they are organisms which are homozygous. Okay, so what would cause these pure breeding black bull or red cow to produce a black and white offspring? It will be a change, okay, a change in the genes. So that change is a mutation, which is a spontaneous change in the structure of the gene. So we are saying a mutation in the gene, a mutation in the gene would a mutation in the gene would have to occur to turn the genes from, so the genes will be turned from complete dominance to condominance. Yeah, it's supposed to be condominance. All right, so this is what is going to happen. So in order for the black and white offspring to be produced from the black bull or red cow, we are going to have a mutation that is going to occur in the gene, which will turn the genes from complete dominance to condominance. So this is how we can answer this question. So we've come to the end of our lesson. I hope it's clear, you've gotten something. Thank you so much, everybody. This has been your presenter, Samlenga. Bye bye.